So, hello kuya and online housemates. So, the task is yung pagkakataon na nagka-penalty ako at ano yung natutunan ko about dito. So, it was the time na during my on-the-job training before, bago ako graduate sa Pag-ibig Fund Office in Zamboanga City, na yes, there are times na kung darating ako is almost late. Or 5 minutes before or 3 minutes before. So, palagi ako nagmamadali. But, there's this one time na I am 15 minutes late sa office work. So, ayun. Ang ginawa is, sa akin ng aking advisor, binagyan ng 1 extension for my duty. And of course, yung natutunan ko doon is about na huwag maging late sa pagpasok sa trabaho. And of course, be serious when doing mga tasks from my superiors. So I believe until now, I'm still applying na always maging early kung may lakad or may events or may mga meetings or any situation. So, yun lang kuya.